This question is from class 11 textbook. Chapter is Photosynthesis in Higher Plants. Question 135, NEET 2024. How many molecules of ATP and NADPH are required for every molecule of CO2 fixed in the Calvin cycle? So let's just write the outline of Calvin cycle. RUBP is the acceptor molecule. This is going to accept CO2, CO2, and it will form phosphoglyceric acid. Then this is reduced to phosphoglyceraldehyde. This is acid, this is aldehyde. So it will be reduced. For reduction, you would need NADPH, and there is phosphorylation step also. So ATP is needed here. Then this PGAL will enter in reverse glycolysis and finally glucose is produced. So what is glucose? The chemical formula is C6H12O6. This PGAL is also used to regenerate RUBP. Now, in order to uh, equalize all the carbon in this cycle, let me write down the ATP also. ATP is used here also. ATP is used twice in the reduction process and in the regeneration process. But NADPH is only used in reduction. So let us write down. So how do we equate this? 6 CO2 and this is 5 carbon. So this is 6 molecules of RUBP, 6 molecules of CO2. They will form 12 molecules of PGA. This is 5 carbon compound. 5 carbon is shown in bracket. CO2 is 1 carbon. PGA is 3 carbon compound. So 6 5s are 30 and this is 6 1s are 6. So 30 plus 6 is 36. When you do the math here, 12 into 3 is 36. So 36 equals to 36. So this is how we have equated the carbon. Over here, this gets converted into 12 PGAL. PGAL is again 3 carbon compound. Now, what is produced is glucose. This is 6 carbon compound. But only one molecule is produced. Okay. So 1 is here. So 12 into 3 will be 36, out of which 6 goes here. So we are left with 10. 10 PGAL. 10 PGAL will be reshuffled to form RUBP. So this is 3 carbon compound. This will form RUBP. So in this process, the NADPH which are needed. So here 12 ATP and 12 NADPH are used, and in this step 6 ATP are used. So per round, one round of Calvin cycle, Calvin pathway, 6 CO2 are fixed. So for fixing 6 CO2, ATP used are 18 ATP and 12 NADPH. NADPH. So for 1 CO2, you divide this by 6. Okay. So when you divide this, this will become 3. So 1 CO2 will be 18 divided by 6 is 3 ATP and 12 divided by 6 will be 2 NADPH. So note it down and try to remember this in this format. In the beginning, you might feel this is difficult, but this is actually very simple. And revise it again and again, and it will give you clarity. Let's look at the options. Let me erase this. So our final answer was for 1 CO2, 3 ATP and 2 NADPH are needed. So 2 molecules of ATP, 3 molecules of NADPH, no. 2 molecules of ATP, 2 molecules of NADPH, no. 3 and 3, again no. So last one is 3 molecules of ATP, this is correct, and 2 molecules of NADPH. For every molecule of CO2, every molecule, that means 1 molecule of CO2. So the right answer is option number 4. Thank you so much for watching this video.